Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be unboxing the aftermarket air mattress for the Tesla Model Y. So basically what we're going to do, or I'm going to do, is we're going to unbox it and see what it has, and then we're going to do like a demo, pretty much like how to install it into the Model Y and how to inflate it, and then in the end I'll give you my final thoughts on the product itself. So this is the box that it comes in with, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's Coverado car air mattress, fits Tesla Model Y. Right, so we're gonna unbox it. So it does come with this bag here, pretty nice. All right, let me take it out. I see a user's guide, Coverado, the website www.coverado.com, and if you have any issues you can contact Coverado service at 163.com. And inside here, introductions, cover switch, charging indicator, and then type C, and then how to use it, inflate it, deflate it, press, right? You guys can read that. Okay, here we go. All right. And it does come with this vinyl plastic repair kit, just in case if it has a hole or something, you can patch it. Pretty neat, pretty nice, well thought. All right, so come with different adapter. Okay, and looks like a USB Type C inside as well. And then actually gonna have to put it in my car, back it up, and then we'll see from there. So after you lay it all flat, right, and then here's the controls right here. So just make sure you close this thing right here, and then you're gonna press it got deflate, stop, and then it has inflate. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna hit inflate. Wow. I like it. So it's about 3 minutes, guys, and it fits really nice. If it fits into the little pocket in here too. Jesus Christ, very nice and well designed. Look at that. And now, you know what? I'm very happy with this because I'm actually going camping in February, which is what, like a couple months from now. And this will be perfect for it because I know it's gonna be cold, so at least my kids will have the option to be inside here if they can't stand the cold. But look at that, guys. Look and see how well that fits right there. Beautiful, nice. Love it so far. Check that out. See how cute that is with the pillow? Jesus, very nice. Oh my God, you guys. If you guys into camping or I know that some of the people, you know, like they live in the car, you know, like the Tesla Model Y. Check this out, man. You can actually sleep with 2 people in here, right? In the cold, maybe snuggle with one another, but it looks really nice. Let's see. I sleep here, my wife sleeps here. Oh my God, or my 3 kids. This would be perfect. You know what? It's so nice. Oh, Jesus. Really love it. Nice. Yeah? Oh my God. Roomy, Nice. And if you need to move this the front seats up a little bit, you can too. But this one, the way that they design it, it's for it to accommodate it the way it is. You don't really need to. Well, I have it like a little bit back, you know, but you can move a little bit forward. Really nice overall, very comfortable, well made, well designed, you know, very thoughtful. It goes all the way to the, as you can see, it goes all the way to the door over there too. Very nice. Love it. Oh my God. See that? Everything. There you go. There you go. All the way. All the way. Very nice. Beautiful. See, the way they designed it's just for Tesla. Alright guys, so as you can see, the installation was fairly easy. There's 3 buttons for you to press: deflate, inflate, and then off, right? And it only took us like about 3 minutes to actually inflate it all the way completely. So really nice and easy. So now I'm going to show you guys how to deflate it, okay? So just press deflate. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's actually sucking pushing out all of the air out. Wow, amazing. Looks like it's almost completely out of air already inside. Look at that. And it's less than 3 minutes. It's only 2 minutes something into it. Oh wow. Look at this. Look at how wrinkled up it is. So I think it's right now it's good for us to put it back in the package. Wow. Only 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Wow guys, this is amazing, right? So not only the setup. All right, so if you're out of the battery and you need to recharge this pump right here, again, very well designed, genius here. You just remove this, and on this right here, you just insert this into USB Type-C, and then it will recharge this, and then you're good to go. And then once you're done recharging, you just put it back in right there. What a genius design. Not only the setup was less than 4 seconds, I think 3 minutes and 22 seconds, but look, the deflation is really fast. Deflated like in 2 minutes and 22 seconds. So now you can just fold this and put it back into the bag that it comes with, and you're good to go. So this is amazing. I've reviewed a mattress before, but this is by far one of the most convenient ones for us. You know, when you go camping, you don't want to carry too much. The last time I went camping, I carried like my whole trunk full, and wow, surprisingly, this thing is really nice. So if you guys are in the market for a Tesla accessory, you might want to check them out. If you use the link on Amazon, I do get a little bit of percentage off of it. That's one way that you can help out the channel. But yeah, I really love this product, guys. So if you guys have any questions on how to put it together, how to, you know, remove it, just leave it in the comment below. But other than that, thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.